Okay, welcome back. We have completed 5 steps. Okay, now we have our 3D model ready. Okay, here, and we are going to perform step 6. Okay, using importing 3D model to a game project. Okay. In a working folder, I have another folder. Survival shooter is basically a folder holding a game project in Unity. So we are going to open it. Okay, open the survival shooter 1, that folder, open assets, open completed assets, and open scenes. Okay, and make sure you pay attention to this folder. Okay, it's working folder, survival shooter 1, assets, completed assets, scenes, and there's a Unity scene file. Okay, level 015.x. Okay, double click it and the Unity is started. So I assume you have some basic understanding of how Unity works. Okay, if not, okay, you may move on to my next series of videos. Okay, after this one. Okay, I'll introduce more specific settings, okay, for this game, for this Unity project. Okay, how to fine tune it, how to import different kinds of models. Okay, but anyway, let's try to import the model we created, okay, into this game project. And okay, so this is the game. Okay, in case if your Unity does not look like this, okay, I mean these panels does not look in this layout, you can go to layout, top right button at the top right corner, choose 2x3. It will be something like this, and my personal preference is pull this project panel to down below. Okay, basically you hold and click this part of the panel to move them around. Like it to be at the bottom of the hierarchy panel. Okay, and I would like this view to be much smaller. Okay, something like this. Okay, and this is the scene view. Top left is the scene view. If you hold alternate key and press and hold your left mouse key, you can rotate around. Use scroll on your mouse to to zoom. Okay, and press and hold your middle mouse button. Okay, press and hold the scroll view, and you can move around. Okay, and this is the game view. Okay, this game project basically is a completed game. Okay, the game is basically completed. Okay, so basically how it works. You press play button, okay, you can play the game here. Okay, this is this is based on a tutorial game project provided by Unity. Okay, you can find this package in Unity as a store. Okay, so let's import the model. Okay, first of all we need to find our model. Okay, we have a model here. I will copy the whole folder. Okay, containing the files we generated in step 5. Copy the whole folder and go back to Unity. In the project panel, you will see this models folder. Right click the model folder and click show in Explorer. Okay, and double click the models, double model folder. Okay, so within assets models, okay, this folder, I will paste the obj file, okay, the folder I just copied. Then I'll go back to Unity. Once I click Unity, go back to Unity, you will see some loading. Okay, this is basically some importing process. Okay, then you see there's an additional folder here in the project panel. Okay, if you expand it, and you'll see Snoopy. Okay, this blue icon means a model. Okay, you see Snoopy here, click Snoopy, and under the inspector panel you will see these settings, mod settings. If you're familiar with Unity, you do whatever settings you want. Okay, I'll just choose the merge compression to be medium and click generate colliders. Okay, and scroll down, make sure you click apply. Okay, and then I need to import it to my game scene. Okay, what I'm going to do is make sure you have selected the model here in the project panel. I'm going to hold and drag it to the scene view here. Okay, the scene view here. Okay, it may look funny, but because it's too big, okay, whatever, okay, just release it. Okay, then it's imported into the game scene. In the hierarchy panel, it shows all the game objects appears in its scene view. Okay, which may be different from the project panel. Okay, if you're familiar with Unity. Okay, project panel holds all the assets files you have, but these files assets may not appear in every game scene. Okay, for example, stage 1 you have these objects, stage 2 of your game you may have different objects. Okay, sorry. And okay, Unity, in a game scene we have this model, but it looks funny because it's too big. So make sure you have selected the model, your own model from 1 to 3 catch under hierarchy panel, and under inspector you'll see the position, rotation, and scale. And for now I'll just change the scale. Okay, the scale works in 3 dimensions. Okay, X, Y, Z. Okay, I'm going to change all of them by making them 1/10 of its size. Okay, then it's gone. It seems like the Snoopy is much smaller now. Okay, if you don't find your own model, okay, select it in the hierarchy, and press select it in the hierarchy and press F. Okay, press F in the scene view, you'll see it. And I'll hold my Alt key and rotate. Okay, it seems that the orientation of the model is weird. I'll just position it so that it's on it appears on the floor of the game scene. I'm going to rotate it. Okay, 90 degrees, negative 90 degrees. Clicking these few buttons will change whether you want to scale it or reposition it. Okay, seems not very straight. Sorry. fine tune it. Okay, fine tune it, positions, its orientation, something like this. Okay. So that's how you import, and you can have successfully imported model into your game. Okay, that's how it works. Okay, and in the next videos and next few videos, I would introduce some settings that is more specific to this survival shooter game. Okay, and if you're interested, please continue to watch. Okay, but for importing 3D models created in 123D Catch to Unity game project, basically we are done. Okay, we're finished. And thank you for watching. And if you want to focus more on survival shooter, okay, feel free to continue to watch the next video.